All right, so this isn't self-care. The 10 principles matter. They are a strategy to create energy to lead, resilience to rise, clarity to decide, and courage to speak. And as I said before, you cannot live well, nor can you lead well unless you are well, physically, emotionally, spiritually. That's what the 10 principles is all about. It's the whole of you. It's the embracing all of you. So if you're ready to embody your full potential, commit to your physical foundation, step into the unapologetic leadership, join the movement of strong, clear, unapologetic women. So this is a 10-week transformational program where we'll walk through each of the 10 principles and apply them directly to the way you lead, work, parent, and live. You'll learn how to rebuild energy and vitality through targeted science-backed and wisdom-backed principles. Reconnect to your own wisdom and self-trust, your most powerful leadership tools. Rewire beliefs that keep you invisible, exhausted, or out of alignment, and lead your life and legacy with the same clarity and conviction you bring to others. This is a small, intimate group designed for midlife women ready to stop spinning and start stepping forward with purpose. And we start on the 1st of September. So if you would like, click on the link in the chat and book in for a mini coaching program with me. And we will talk about if this program is right for you, if you're ready for it. We start 1st of September. We run right through until mid-November. And this is about taking back control of your life so that you start this next stage of your life with clarity, with strength, with wisdom and empowerment, and it's not hard. So click on the link. I'll pop it in the comments below as well. And I look forward to chatting with you, see how I can help you feel strong, clear, and unapologetic in who you are and at this time of your life. Thanks for being here. Bye for now.